Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be talking about the sum function in Microsoft Excel. If you ever found yourself needing to add together many terms in Excel, this function is your go-to solution. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of using the sum function effectively within Excel. So let's get started. Let's begin by looking at the syntax of this function. Firstly, the purpose of this function is to add values together as the name suggests. It calculates the sum of a series of numbers. To use this function, all we need to give it for arguments are the numbers that we want to add together, which are separated by commas. These arguments can be individual numbers like 3, 6, 12. They could be cell references, such as A1 or B5, or ranges, such as B1 to B5, or a mix of all three. And that's it. So let's go through some examples of how to use this function now that we have an idea of what it looks like. As our first example, let's say that you're a server and you want to add all your tips from the week together, which as you can see is presented here. To quickly add all these cells together, let's call our sum function by typing equals sum, then hitting tab while autofill our function. Or you can manually add the left parentheses, and using our mouse, let's click and drag to highlight our desired cells. And then press enter. Excel will instantly calculate the sum of all those values. Another really cool thing that we can do with the sum function is combine ranges of numbers. So let's add another data set for our second week of collecting tips. Another shortcut you can use here is by clicking up on your keyboard, holding shift, and then clicking up a few more times. That will select the cells above our function. Now, in another cell over here, let's sum together all of our terms. To do this, we first call our function, and click and highlight all of our first terms. Click comma on our keyboard, and then repeat for our second set of cells, and then hit enter, and we will be returned the sum. And that's it. You should now have a solid understanding of how to use the sum function in Excel. This is a great tool to have in your Excel toolbox that can save you time and help you work more efficiently with numbers. I hope that this video helped your understanding of how to use the sum function within Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.